Don't skip any steps. I am going to show you how to fix no sound problem in Windows 11. In this step, click on Search icon, then search for Control Panel and click here to open it on this window and view by section. Change it to large icons. Then scroll down and click on Sound on this window. If you have connected more than 2 devices to your machine, then you can select Device to change settings. Now to fix no sound problem, right-click on Audio Device and select Disable again, enable it. Once done, go to their Properties, then select Levels tab and make sure this icon looks like this way. Now go to Enhancements tab and check this option that is Disable All Enhancements. Click on Apply and then OK. And close all windows one by one. That's it, guys. Your problem will be solved. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.